I wanted to give you a couple different options of inputting this in your calculator just to make sure you're getting the correct answer. And I'm not exactly sure which model you have, and it will look differently. Even with the TI-84s, some of them have certain features and others don't. So just to make sure, because I didn't see the original problem, this problem would be for compounding interest and it would be daily. So this is the formula for compounding interest at certain intervals. So it would be daily. And that's where you have n equals 365. And hopefully the problem said for 5 years, because according to your numbers, you have them all substituted in correctly for those numbers. So the first way I did it here on this picture, I basically took your equation and I just entered it exactly as it looks like this. And then it came out to be $2,106.41, because then they're always rounding to 2 decimal places since it's money. And the way I'm getting that button on the calculator to look like a fraction, mine does it. Some do, some don't. It would be alpha y equals, just the y equals button and the alpha button. So that would be right here and here. And some calculators have this fraction button that pops up. If it doesn't, it's absolutely fine, because then I did it a different way and it's just solving with order of operations. So the way we simplify is we would first, in the calculator, put the fraction, and I put that first. And then I'm not rounding at all. It's a big number in scientific notation. I left it alone right in the calculator, and then I just put the 1 there. And then we have this A equals 1600, and then it's this 1.0001 to the 365 times 5. But it's actually a lot more decimals than that. So I just left it all right in the calculator. And then at that point, I used that key for the exponent, and it's always taking the answer button, just always takes the line above it, and then it raised it. So it's taking all of this, and then I just pressed that button, and then the 365, you have to put that in parentheses. So it's parentheses 365 times 5. And then we have this amount, and then I multiplied it times the initial value, the principal. And then we ended up with the same answer as if I put it in all at once. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks.